Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're working on the GR86 again, and we do have a special package from SUMA Performance. Right inside the package, we got some awesome stickers from them. We got this awesome reflective one. We got this pretty cool one right here, which I'll probably be putting on. And then we got their logo right here. Inside we got cables for the wide angle mirrors. These are some blue wide angle mirrors for the GR86 and BRZ. Those cables are to hook up the turn signal, so we'll see if we figure that out. But yeah, it retains all the heated features in your car, so it still heats the mirrors, and you can get a turn signal option as well. They also sent out some ceramic spray that SUMA has. This ceramic spray is more powerful than most ceramic products on the market right now. It protects your car from scratches, stain marks, dirt, and grime, and it makes washing your car a lot easier. So one coating lasts for at least 6 months, which is pretty crazy versus other competitors' ceramic sprays. And if you reapply every 3 months with ease, it allows you to have 2-year protection with just one bottle of the spray, which is very impressive. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse off the car, wash it, and then apply the ceramic spray when it's still wet, and see how it turns out. Alright, so we did actually just get this package from AWE right as I'm recording this, which is pretty funny. So it included this shirt right here. and applied a SUMA sticker on the side of the car. We got to represent, and it looks pretty cool. Alright, so now to installing the mirrors. We're going to be starting with the driver's side. So here we got both of the mirrors. We got the left and the right. And then I think these two little wires there are for hooking up the turn signal. So I hope we can figure that out. If not, we'll just hook up the heating for now. And yeah, here's what it looks like, very wide angle. So we turn the mirror to the side, and all you have to do to pop out the mirror is get a towel and a little trim removal tool. And then you can like pop it underneath, and I would use both your hands to pop it out. It makes it a lot easier. And once you pull it out, you're gonna have to remove the heating part right there. Here's the OEM mirror versus the wide angle. You can definitely tell the blue one is a lot wider. It definitely helps with blind spots and all that. Then we went ahead and removed the passenger side. I was being really careful, especially since this is a brand new car, but don't be worried about breaking anything. It just pops right out. And it hangs right there with the heating part connected, and all you gotta do is remove that. Just pull on the black part and wiggle it a little, and it should come out very easily. And there we go. So I wasn't able to figure out the wiring with the turn signal, but we will figure that out and show it in another video. But for now, we just got the heating hooked up and pop these back into place. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. Looks really awesome. Definitely helps on the road after using it for about a week now. The blue mirrors just look a lot more premium. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the link in the description down below to check out SUMA's ceramic spray and these mirrors, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.